Alright, use a little of that Eagle One acid chrome cleaner on my battery terminals. See, they actually got a copper color to them now. And I sealed the exposed parts up with liquid electrical tape after I soldered them in good. And here's the difference that it made. That's what it used to do. That's turning probably 3 times as fast. Definitely made a huge difference. So yeah, never assume anything. Just because they don't look corroded or anything does not mean they're getting a good connection. Well, at least I can go fishing again. I thought my season was about over. Another $100 for a starter for this thing would about shot me. Just had to replace the alternator on my truck, $140. Well, hopefully that'll take care of it.